Hey guys, this is iSpeakNerd here from the Coin Hunt World Wiki team, here with an exciting thing to tell you guys about. We've got the best blockchain game for 2021 Coin Hunt World was actually nominated for, and so we want to make sure we get our voting in, so let's see how we do that. We're going to go to this website here, which I know is a long link, I'll drop it in the video description, but we're going to go to this website here, and we can see there's some ads and stuff, but we've got a list of best blockchain game of 2021. There's a lot of stuff on here, guys. There's a lot of games in this play to earn space. But with these, we want to find in particular, we want to find Coin Hunt World. So if you've never done this before on a desktop, by the way, I'm using search. That's Control F to pop this up. Control F pops up search, and then I can just search Coin Hunt World. Boom, that's there. But then I need to come down here and we need to log in to vote. So here's the weird thing about logging in to vote. If you've never done something like this before, it's actually going to use your wallet address to register your vote here with Web3 Tech. So we're going to use a mobile application here. So this is just my phone here, guys, but we're going to use this application right here, MetaMask. If you've never had it before, you can go to the Play Store, the iOS Store, wherever you get your apps. And you can go into here, search MetaMask. You're going to look for this one, okay, the one with the orange fox, but from Consensys, and then you're going to take this one, open it up. We want to authenticate. Again, I've had this set up before. And then you've got your wallets, okay? You might have more than one wallet on here. It might ask you to set up a new wallet. You don't actually need any assets in this wallet in order to use it. But the key thing of interest for us is going to be this little button up here, this one in the top right. This one is what we're going to use to scan the QR code to connect our wallet to the website. So now we've got our app set up on our phone here with MetaMask. We're going to take this and use it with the website. So we're not a robot. Maybe we have to go through another CAPTCHA, but then we're going to log in to vote, and it's going to pop up with this QR code. Now, WalletConnect is just a service that's used to connect these things. So we're going to hit that QR button up here in the top right on MetaMask. Hit that. It opens up the QR code scanner. Oh, and then we're going to scan this on the mobile device. It's going to ask if you want to connect to the site. So yes, we want to connect. Boom, we're in. And now we can actually vote. So you can go through, if you're a fan of any other play to earn games, like maybe you really like Axie Infinity, or maybe you're someone who's more into Splinterlands. Uh, they're all on here, so you can vote up to 5 games. But make sure, Coin Hunt World, we all love Coin Hunt World, so make sure we give it some love on here. Coin Hunt World, and then come on down and vote. And boom, there we are. Thanks.